You know how important they are. That's why I go to Flamin. They have flat deck trailers for my equipment and enclosed trailers for my sleds. And they have everything from high-end toy haulers to clearance stock from last season. What you need, Flamin's got when it comes to trailers. In the field, on the road, or at home, Flamin is right there with you. And it all starts at Flamin.com. Flamin, they'll get you there.
It's nearly here. Waking up without an alarm, with enough time to have that cup of tea you've been dreaming about, to relax, to ignore what the clock says, and read all the way to the end. It's getting that recipe just right, and spending time with the people that matter most. It's all the things you do because you want to, because it's the weekend. And at Indigo, we know just how much that means. So hang on, you're almost there. Plan your Indigo weekend. We can't wait to see you.
Ladies, looking for workwear with a little bit of fashion but a whole lot of function? High-vis, FR, and more. Designed by women, for women, sold by women, and always great prices. Direct Workwear, Gateway Boulevard at 53rd Ave. Online at directworkwear.com.
This school year, The Source will help you student like a pro. How? With helpful advice and incredible savings on headphones from Beats, Bose, Sony, and more. Hear that? That's the sound of productivity. The Source. Student like a pro.
So, when's the last time your bank took you on vacay? We hear you. That's why ATB is giving away up to $45,000 every month. And all you have to do is make deposits. Because we hear you want to do amazing things with your life. Like gaze at the Great Pyramids, bathe in the Blue Lagoon, walk the Great Wall. You get the idea. Just imagine where you could deposit yourself with ATB. Details at atb.com/deposit.
This is CMBR-FM, iHeartRadio station, Edmonton's best rock, 100.3, The Bear.
What's your problem? Fucking 50, you wanker. What's the fucking issue? What's your fucking problem? You fucking wanker. Fucking hell. Got ya. What the fuck was that? Got you on the camera, fella. Jesus. Oh.